got nobody to listen.
I'm good, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride.
I'm here!
What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
What's he thinking? Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight! Out of my way! This way! Night Fury!
All right, Toothless, go. Get out of here. Go, go! No, Dad! Dad, he won't hurt you! Don't make it! Toothless, stop! No. No!
Get in!
I just wanted you to know.
Go, Toothless. Go.
I think I miss you sometimes, like the stars miss the sun.
estoy saggy pa' que te meto en otro.
Hiccup is gonna kick. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Almost there, buddy. Almost there.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I do, I'm so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master.
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it.
This place. Come on. What's the matter with you? No. Come on. What are you doing? Knock it off. Stop! Stop! Son! Dad!
We were
No!
born
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
Holla back, bitch, tell me your name and why you think that talking crazy gonna run up your fame. I heard you talk about Aisha, even copy the looks. I heard you taking my identity. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. I can write a song. I belong, you belong in my sweet home.
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl. Hey girl, shake your body like a belly dancer.
Push it,